Hello, and welcome to the Boosted English Podcast. I'm really happy that you are here today, listening, taking this time for yourself. As always, you don't need to understand everything. You don't need to focus too hard. You can simply listen and let the English flow. Today, we're talking about something that makes many people feel nervous, something very common, something very human. Many people say, "I can speak English, but not on the phone." And if you feel this way, please know this, you are not alone. Emma is here with me today, and together we want to make phone calls feel simpler and calmer and much less scary.
Yes, and I really want to say this first. If English on the phone feels hard for you, there is nothing wrong with you. Really, nothing at all.
Yes, absolutely. Phone calls remove something very important. They remove the face. When we see someone, we understand more. We read the lips, we see the eyes, we feel the emotion. On the phone, all of that disappears.
And suddenly, your brain has to work harder. It listens to the words, the accent, the speed, the sound quality, all at the same time. And when stress arrives, understanding often goes away.
Yes, stress closes the ears. And many people feel pressure. They think, "I should understand. I don't want to interrupt. I don't want to sound stupid." But this pressure makes everything worse.
Also, the English we learn is often very clear, but real phone English is faster, less clear, more natural. People speak quickly. They swallow words. They don't slow down.
So if phone calls feel difficult, it does not mean your English is bad. It means the situation is difficult. And that's okay. Let's slow down here. Now, let's talk about something very comforting. You do not need a lot of English to survive a phone call. You only need a few calm sentences.
Yes, and maybe the hardest moment is the very beginning. The phone rings. Your heart beats faster. Your voice feels strange. So let's make that part very easy.
You can start with something very simple. "Hello, this is Liam." Again, slowly. "Hello, this is Liam."
That's enough. You don't need a long sentence. You don't need to explain everything. Just your name. Just your voice.
Then you can add one small idea. "I'm calling about the appointment." Again, "I'm calling about the appointment."
Or, I'm calling about the meeting. I'm calling about an order. You can stop there. You can breathe. That is already good English.
Now, let's imagine something very common. You are listening, but the sound is bad. The voice cuts. The line is not clear. This happens to everyone.
Yes, and many people blame themselves. But it's not your fault. You can simply say, "Sorry, the line is bad." Again, "Sorry, the line is bad."
This sentence is very important. because it moves the problem away from you. It's not your English, it's the phone.
You can also say, "You're breaking up." It's a normal sentence. People understand immediately.
Now, let's talk about repetition. This is very important.
Yes, and we want to say this very clearly. It is okay to ask people to repeat. It is polite. It is normal. It is human.
You can say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Again, slowly. "Could you repeat that, please?"
And if the speed is the problem, could you say that more slowly? This sentence is kind. This sentence is respectful.
Sometimes you understand, but your brain needs time. Just a moment. And that's okay too.
Yes, and for that you can say, "Let me check." Again, "Let me check."
Or, "One moment, please." These sentences are powerful. They give you time. They give you space. They give you calm. Now, let's listen to a simple phone call. Nothing special, nothing perfect, just real.
Hello, this is Emma.
Hello, Emma. This is Liam. I'm calling about an appointment.
Okay, one moment please.
Thank you.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Yes, of course. I'm calling about an appointment for next week.
Ah, okay. Let me check.
Let's pause here. Notice something important. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is fast. People repeat. People wait. And everything is okay.
Let's talk gently about mistakes. Not to judge, only to help. One common mistake is saying, "What?" very quickly. It can sound hard.
Instead, you can say, "Sorry?" Or, "Could you repeat that, please?" These sound softer. Another mistake is speaking too fast because of stress. Slow speech is clear speech.
And maybe the biggest mistake is pretending to understand. This creates more stress later. It is okay to ask people to repeat, always.
Before we finish, let's talk about the mind, very gently. First, speak more slowly than you think you should. Slow feels strange, but slow is clear.
Second, smile. Yes, really. People can hear a smile in your voice.
Third, breathe before you answer. One breath changes everything.
And finally, prepare 3 sentences before the call. Only 3. That is enough.
Thank you for listening today. Thank you for being patient with yourself. Learning is slow, progress is gentle, and that is good. Please be kind to yourself. You are doing enough. We'll see you again very soon on the Boosted English podcast. Take care and breathe.